Let's talk about the things about yoga that just aren't true. I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS and author of Chair Yoga for Beginners. I've got 5 common myths that might be keeping you from enjoying more energy, better balance, increased flexibility, and an overall sense of well-being. Stick around until the end while I demonstrate what not to do in yoga.
Counting down, starting with number 5. Advanced poses are the goal. False. Yoga is not about mastering advanced poses. It's more about self-awareness, mindfulness, and improving your overall health. Number 4. Yoga is only for young people. False. Yoga, and especially chair yoga, is accessible to people of all ages, body types, physical abilities, and fitness levels. Number 3. Yoga is only about achieving a state of bliss. False. While yoga can lead to moments of bliss and inner peace, it also helps you deal with life's challenges and develops resilience. Number 2. You should push through pain. False. Yoga teaches you to listen to your body. It's essential to distinguish between discomfort and pain, which should not be ignored. And number 1, yoga is only for the flexible. False. This is one of the most common misconceptions. Just because I can't sit in a full lotus position with both my knees flat to the ground doesn't make me less of a yoga practitioner in any way, shape, or form. To me, yoga is more about feeling good in your body, being able to move through life with ease and grace, and enjoying an overall sense of well-being.
Let me know in the comments what limiting beliefs you might have about yoga. I'll be sure to answer everyone. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.